Hi, this is Rick from the website Jedi, and this is another copy and paste for basically putting content to your site. There's a number of ways of doing it, and of course, I use WordPress, which gives you the ability to use put in your content in an easy way that's similar to using Word. However, sometimes it's actually easier to create it in Word or some other whatever word processor and then paste it in, and then you can tweak it as necessary. So basically the copy and paste for this is I'm taking the left side and I'm dragging it across to say here. And I'm just using that arbitrarily. I could do the whole thing, but I decided to do that. Also, sometimes it's easier to do from the bottom right to up this way. Depends on you, depends on your computer, a number of different variables. But some ways are easier than others, depending on your dexterity with the mouse or the touchpad like I'm using. Once you've highlighted an area of text, you can either go over to edit and copy. You can do it this way by right-clicking and copy. Of course, I just undid my highlight. So you right-click there and there's your copy. Or what I usually do is once I highlight, I just hit the keyboard. As when it showed on here also, copy, didn't show it here. Sometimes on this one, maybe it is edit, yeah, copy. So you have the other option, which is Control C, and that of course is pressing and holding the Control button while you click on the C, and that will copy it to the clipboard as well. When you copy to the clipboard is just an area in memory, and it will stay there until you replace it with something else. If you reboot, it will basically clean it out. But that's how that works. So I'm going to do the Control C because that's my preferred method of doing it. And then I'm going to go over to the edit page, which I kind of have here set up. And let's say you grabbed a piece of stuff and you want to stick it in here. So I'm just going to do that and then hit Control V for paste and paste it right in there. And then of course there's other options. Right now you see that this text is smaller than the other part of the text, and you can adjust that by going over here and highlighting this and then having it adjust the size by going here and adjusting it that way. And there's other methods for that, but the focus of this of course is copy and paste, and to copy content that you've typed and want to put onto your web page. This also has capability, they have the icons here of paste from Word and also paste as plain text from, say, Notepad. So those are options as well, but I wanted to focus on the copy and paste, and this would have allowed you to paste it right into here. But I picked the section here, for example, and this would basically take your content and paste it wherever the cursor's at. So that's about it for that. I'd love to hear any feedback, and I'll come back with more either copy and paste uses and other ways of utilizing your computer for your internet presence. Talk to you soon.